Hello, and welcome to Technic Force Learning. In this video, I'll show you a complete beginner's guide to Web 3.0. Let's get started. You've probably heard about Web 3 unless you've been living under a rock. Web 3.0 is the next step in the web's growth, and it aims to make the internet more intelligent. Before learning more about Web 3, let's understand the evolution of the web first. Over the last few years, the World Wide Web has developed, bringing with it new tools and strategies. Web 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0 are typically names for these stages. Now, let's understand each of their stages. Web 1.0. It is the first stage in the evolution of the web, which is also referred as the read-only web. Web 1.0 websites were not as dynamic and interactive as it is now. The primary goal of the websites was just to make the information available to the general public. As servers were improved, average connection speeds rose, and developers gained new skills and techniques. The shift from Web 1.0 to 2.0 occurred over time. Web 2.0. It is the second stage in the evolution of the web, which is also referred as the read-write web. It's just a better version of the first World Wide Web, marked by the shift from static to dynamic or user-generated content, as well as the rise of social media. Some of the famous Web 2.0 applications are Google Maps, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WordPress, and others. Web technologies such as HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript frameworks such as React.js, AngularJS, Vue.js, and other enable users to come up with new concepts, allowing users to contribute more to this social web. Now that you have a good understanding of the evolution of the web and its old stages, let's understand what is Web 3.0. Web 3.0. It is the third stage of the evolution of the web, which is also referred as the read, write, execute, which refers to the future of the web. In this era, artificial intelligence and machine learning enable computers to understand data in the same way that people do. Web 3 applications, or dApps, are developed on decentralized peer-to-peer networks like Ethereum and IPFS. These networks are developed, operated, and maintained by their users rather than by a business. They self-organize and don't have a single point of failure. You'll notice that when you hear about Web3, cryptocurrencies are frequently mentioned. This is due to the fact that many of these protocols include cryptocurrencies. Anyone who wishes to help create, control, or improve one of the projects is given a cash incentive, or tokens. These protocols frequently provide a wide range of service, including computation, storage, bandwidth, identification, hosting, and other online services previously supplied by cloud providers. So what makes Web 3.0 so unique? Web 3's major benefit is that it seeks to solve the most serious issue that has arisen as a result of Web 2, the gathering of personal data by private networks, which is subsequently sold to marketers or potentially stolen by hackers. Web 3's network is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by a single organization, and the decentralized applications created on top of it are open. Here are the properties of Web 3.0. The following are three characteristics that can help us define Web 3.0. First, Semantic Web. One of the key elements of Web 3.0 is Semantic Web. The Semantic Web enhances online technologies by allowing users to create, share, and connect content via search and analysis based on the ability to understand the meaning of words rather than keywords or numbers. Next, 3D graphics. 3D graphics is being used widely in websites and services in Web 3.0, such as online games, e-commerce, and portfolio website. And number 3, artificial intelligence. Semantic Web and artificial intelligence are the two cornerstones of Web 3.0. By combining this capacity with the natural language processing, Web 3.0 allows computers to comprehend material in the same way that people do, resulting in quicker and more relevant results. To meet the demands of users, they grow increasingly intelligent. And lastly, what is Web3.js? The Web3.js library is the primary JavaScript library you'll use while creating Web3 applications. Web3.js is a set of libraries that let you use an HTTP or IPC connection to communicate with a local or distant Ethereum node. The Ethereum blockchain is accessed with the Web3 JavaScript library. It can access user accounts, send transactions, and communicate with smart contracts, among other things. In fact, Web3.js is one of the main frameworks used in designing the apps. And there you have it. I hope this video helps you in understanding Web3. And before this video ends, did you know that you can make cold emails easy? Run perfectly designed killer cold email campaigns that turn leads into buyers fast. Introducing Pursue App by Technic Force. Cold email automation done right. Pursue App makes it easy to run successful cold email campaigns for any business. Here's what you can get in Pursue App: personalized cold email marketing engine, commercial license, lead verification system, custom-crafted customer journeys, multi-event triggers for email, deep analytics and reporting, warm leads identification, A/B testing, ready-made email themes for many niches, events and conversion tracking, integration with thousands of apps with Zapier, inbuilt API for custom integrations, multi-user support, support for Gmail, G Suite, Outlook, and SMTP, agency license, 1 year free update, 24/6 support, cold email training, and ready-made cold email campaigns. So try Pursue App now. Just go to getpursueapp.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.